Assalamualaikum and hello everyone. My name is Siti Aisyah binti Mat Said. So today I will present my individual assignment which is about Fintech. Firstly, I start with introduction. Do you know what is Fintech? Fintech is a term used to describe financial technology, an industry encompassing any kind of technology in financial services from business to consumer. Fintech describes any company that provides financial services through software or other technology and includes anything from mobile payment apps to cryptocurrency. Broadly, Fintech describes any company using the internet, mobile devices, software technology or cloud services to perform or connect with financial services. Next, Fintech can leverage technology to build a bridge to the unbanked community with financial services. For example, individuals who do not have a bank account are still able to utilize banking services like making online transactions or doing direct debits. All of this is possible with the use of a short code or account number. Although the existence of Fintech in Malaysia is still rising to the surface, the industry is growing quite rapidly. It is reported by Bank Negara Malaysia that banking may face a threat in its revenue by 2025 due to the advancement of Fintech or innovation since the industry is excluded from banking institutions. In other words, the banks perceive that Fintech informally meddles with banks' business. Next, an example of Fintech is equity crowdfunding. In year 2015, the Security Commission Malaysia approved 6 ECF operators to provide alternative funding platforms for small business and also entrepreneur. Another growing area in Fintech is peer-to-peer or P2P lending. The latter serves as an online platform to link borrowers with lenders as well as to bypass the bank. Next, I continue with the Fintech initiative taken by International Islamic Financial Institution. Prior to 2016, Fintech in Islamic finance was mainly in the form of crowdfunding platform. A few remarkable achievements were recorded in 2016, such as the introduction of an Islamic robo-advisor. There are also other Fintech initiatives in Islamic finance that were either launched or announced in 2016, such as the Islamic Fintech Hub and Islamic Fintech Alliance. The first initiative is Islamic robo-advisor. New York-based Wahid Invest Incorporation launched Wahid, the world's first automated Islamic investment platform with the aim of providing access to halal portfolio management for 2 billion Muslims around the world. Wahid is claimed to be the first global robo-advisor to be accessible by the lower socio-economic demographic. Next, Global Islamic Fintech Hub. Finocracy announced Future Finance 2030, the first global Islamic Fintech Hub, which is expected to be the focal point of the fast-growing Islamic Fintech space. The plan includes an accelerator program, a virtual network to connect various business, educational programs for executives and students that will encourage Islamic Fintech development across emerging markets. The third initiative is Islamic Fintech Alliance, a Islamic crowdfunding platform operators from across the globe launched the Islamic Fintech Alliance (IFT Alliance) on the 1st April 2016 in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. The founding members are Blossom Finance, Easy Up, Idis Crowd, Narwi, Funding Lab, Capital Boost, Launch Good and Scholar Fund. Next, the Fintech initiative taken by Islamic financial institution in Malaysia. Malaysia is strengthening its position as a major player in the Fintech industry. Malaysia launched several initiatives in partnership with various industries such as Investment Account Platform (IAP), Sharia Compliant Peer-to-Peer (P2P) Crowdfunding, and MDEC Fintech Academy. First, Investment Account Platform. First is Investment Account Platform. The IAP Malaysia first multi-bank platform for financial intermediation in the Islamic financial system was launched on 17 February 2016, owned by a consortium of 6 Malaysian Islamic banks that serve as a central marketplace to finance small and medium enterprise with an initial funds of 150 million. Second initiative is Sharia compliant peer-to-peer crowdfunding. The world's first Sharia compliant P2P license was awarded to Etis Capital by Securities Commission Malaysia in November 2016. Etis Capital focused on funding small business and real estate development projects. Etis Capital plans to focus on supporting and developing the Islamic finance industry in Malaysia and with a view to later grow into a serious global player. Lastly is MDEC Fintech Academy. Education is one of the best ways to realize potential fintech talent. MDEC has collaborated with institutes of higher learning to deliver lectures and modules on fintech. They have also partnered with local regulators including Bank Negara Malaysia and Securities Commission Malaysia to conduct regulatory bootcamps on a quarterly basis. Next is the future of fintech. Fintech is poised to be a major growth driver in Malaysia. With more and more support from government that knows the importance of fintech and a more globalized mindset, all signs point to a bright future for the sector in Malaysia. The number of automated teller machines has also been slowly decreasing too, giving more opportunities to the fintech industry to continue its nationwide takeover. While services like loans and raising capital still remain within the monopoly of the local banks, digital payments, insurance, and crowdfunding are now all dominated by fintech. So, as conclusion, fintech penetration in Islamic finance is still in its infancy stage. Most of the players are in the crowdfunding business, although Islamic robo-advisor has been recently introduced. Malaysia introduced the first Islamic banks-backed financial intermediary fintech platform and issued the first Islamic P2P crowdfunding license. Lastly, fintech is bigger than ever as it includes everything that just mentioned in this report. In coming years, it is all set to become ever bigger with retail banking software, financial core banking software, and many other components coming under it. So only time will tell how big of an impact will fintech have in our world. With that, thank you.